In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make text bold here in Canva. Now, first off, it's going to come down to the font that you use, because not every font has the feature of making it bold, but there is a little workaround, and I'll show you how to do that as well. Now, usually, to bold a font, we click onto the text on the canvas, then we can look just here where the B letter is, and if we click on there, we can now bold this font. But if we come to just here, to this font, if we click on here, we do not have that bold feature, because if we come onto fonts just here and scroll through these, any that do not have the arrow next to the font means that there is no bold feature. But let me go ahead and show you a little workaround. So all we have to do is click onto the text that we want to bold. We can then come to effects just here and we can use this outline feature. If we click on there, it's added a little outline, but if we change the outline color to the same color as the font, we can then play around with this thickness and we can in fact make this more bold. So this is what it originally looks like. Then if we increase this ever so slightly, we can in fact make this text bold. So that's how to make text bold here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.